my channel. This is Kiana, and I'm just going to be talking to you guys about my product haul. This video is all about the products that I have, down to my shampoos, deep conditioners, leave-ins, regular conditioners, styling products. You're going to get everything, so let's jump right into that video. So this one right here is all of my deep conditioners. You see I got my Mayo Babasu Oil Deep Conditioner. I got my Miche Beauty, have my Curl Dynasty. I love this stuff. I only used it once, but I really should use it again, like really soon. Back here, I have my Eden Split and Repair Mask, which I love. The slip on this, the Belize Natural Vitamin C Repair. If it could get into focus. There we go. I also have my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthening Repair Treatment Mask, which I really like. I have my Mayo Mungongo Oil Deep Hydration. This is the Mayo Rosemary Mint Deep Conditioner. This is the Miche Beauty Protein Treatment. Back here is my Adjua. This is my Curls Blueberry Bliss Treatment. My Maui Moisture Volcanic Clay Ash. My Camille Rose Buriti Nectar Repair. I love that stuff. This is my Soultanicals Afro-Tastic Curl Elastic Deep Conditioner. Love this stuff too. My other Soultanicals Shea Ginger. So yeah, this is my Cream of Nature Acai Berry and Keratin Treatment. I love this stuff, especially after I color my hair and I need that strength. This right here works like a charm. So that is my deep condition stash. I ordered more products for Black Friday, so it's gonna be packed. So I mean, not as much, but you know, it's gonna be packed. So moving on to my stylers. So these are my stylers. I have way more. I just took some out so I could just put it back because it's just too much to be like doing everything. So this is my Alakay Lemongrass Twisting Butter. I really love this stuff. The hold on this is amazing. Of course, I have my Curls Unleashed Does It All Smoothie Styler, which I love this Curls Unleashed brand. My twist out was bomb. If you did not check out that video, please go ahead. It's on my channel. Really good from ORS. Definitely recommend it. This is my Miche Beauty Hydrating Twisting Butter. Love this stuff. Super hydrating. Great for twist out. Great for a braid out. Then I have my As I Am Twist and Define Cream. I love this to refresh my hair. Twisted Definition Styling Cream. I like this stuff a lot. I want to do a full wash day tutorial with my Curl Dynasty because this stuff is so good, guys. And I have the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie. And then I have my Carol's Daughter Cocoa Cream Curl Enhancing Butter. Then for my wash and goes, I love it. It's the Curls to Go Curl Cocktail. Love this stuff for my wash and go. I did a wash and go tutorial. I used the Uncle Funky Daughter gel paired with this. My wash and go came out bomb. Then I have the As I Am Buttercream. Love this when I want to blow out my hair and I want to add moisture to it. I'll add this on there. This is great. Then I have the African Pride Moisture Miracle Shea Butter and Flaxseed Moisturized Curling Cream. All my products you can see I really do love. Except for this one, the Diva Curl Stretch Curling Cream. I wasn't really feeling it, but I seen so many tutorials using it as a wash and go, so maybe I'll try this for a wash and go. But oh, this is in the wrong section. This is my Shea Moisture Hydrate and Repair Protein Treatment. This belongs over here. So now we have the Andre Walker Curling Cream. Just keep it around. Then I have the Adjua Beauty. Oh, there we go. The Adjua Beauty Biomint Curling Cream. You know my twist out came out while I'm using this. So this is, yep. Stays right there. TGIN Twist and Define Cream. I used this a couple of times. I really liked it for my twist out. The Melanin Hair Care Twist Long Lasting Definition. I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss Twist and Shout Curling Cream. But not least, the Talia Waji Curling Cream. I love this stuff for my wash and goes. So yeah, that's all of my curling creams. And yeah, let's jump into the gels and mousses. I don't know, but yeah, let's jump into that. So these are my gels slash mousses slash, whatever holds my hair. So yeah, this is my Curls Unleash Curl Jelly. This is the Mayo Sculpting Custard. Yep, there we go. Design Essentials Curl Forming Custard. I love this stuff. Of course, the Curls Gelato Farmers Natural Fusions. I don't really talk about this. I just use this to slick my hair into a ponytail. Then this is one of two that I have. I have the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gold. Oh, and then we have the Cream of Nature Curl Activator. I adore this stuff so freaking much. This stuff is bomb, 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 bomb. Main Choice Pearly Braid Out Glaze. Love this stuff. The Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Me Gel. I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss Curl Control Jelly. I have two of the Uncle Funky Daughter Curly Magic Curl Stimulator Hair Jelly. This is the dual Mousse Def. My top is defective. It does not pump out right. It's very watery. I don't know why I didn't take it back to Target. This is the Nangai Tsubaki Strengthen Restore Hair Oil. I don't know. This is the Mayo Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Cream Jelly. Then I have the Azure Beauty Bio Mint Oil. Don't know why this isn't here. This is the Mayo Honey Ginger Styling Gel. So now let's jump into my leave-ins, which is a lot. So this is section 1 of my leave-ins / regular rinse out conditioners. Again, this is one of two, so let's carry on. I have a sample of the Eden Coconut Shea. I love this stuff. I don't know why this is in here. Again, this is a deep conditioner. It should be in the deep conditioner section. But this is the Main Choice Pink Lemonade 5 minute Revive and Miracle Mask. This is the Ancient Egyptian Cuticle Control Leave-In. Then I have the Kinky Curly Not Today. I like this leave-in. Then I have the Fortified Natural Leave-In Conditioner. Then I have my favorite, the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I love this. Two of the hair silks from Curls. I got them both for free. And then I have my Soultanicals Not Sus Curl Detangler. You know, you saw my review about this. I love this stuff so much. Then I have my favorite, the Make It Last Wash and Go Primer. This, you can use this as a pre-poo. You could use this as a leave-in. Have the TGIN Moisture Miracle Triple Moisture Replenishing Conditioner. Then I have their leave-in, which is the Green Tea Super Moist Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in. And I have the Curl Dynasty's Give Me Slip. I love this conditioner. Oh my god, the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner is just ridiculous. Of course, the Azure Beauty Leave-In Urban Hydration Honey Argan Oil Sweet Vanilla Bean Extract Moisturizer. And then I have the Main Choice 3-in-1 Conditioner. It's a co-wash, a leave-in, and a detangler. And I have the Camille Rose Fresh Curl Super Moisturizer. Then I have the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Hair Tonic. That is, you know, section 1 of my leave-ins. And then let's jump into section 2. Travel size kit of Curls entire Blueberry Bliss lines. I have 2 of the Miche Beauty Lavish conditioners, one right here and one right there. I have the Alake Naturals, the Lemongrass leave-in conditioner. Then I have the Curls Dynasty Kalahari Hair Smoothie. I use this leave-in conditioner for same moisture to refresh my curls. It's the Main Choice Heavenly Halo Softening Milk. Then I have my big ol' Aussie Moist rinse out conditioner to detangle my hair. And I have the Maya White Peony leave-in conditioner. Oh my god, this is almost finished. Yep. This is like legit, like at the bottom. You see that line? This is the Moisture Miracle line from African Pride of Coconut Milk and Honey. I love this leave-in conditioner. This is the leave-in conditioner from ORS. You already know how I feel about this. Here I have the leave-in cream from Moisture Miracle line from African Pride. Love that cream, super thick. So that is the end of my leave-in conditioners. And then last but, well, no, not last but not least. But next I'm going to show you my shampoos. So these are my shampoos. So yeah, I don't have much, as you can see. Okay, it does look like much. If you want your hair to be stripped, definitely the Eden Body Works Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo. I have the Alake Naturals Caribbean Coconut Milk Shampoo, the My L Pre-Shampoo Treatment from the Mongongo Oil line. Then I have the Miche Beauty Shampoo. I have the throwback of the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Shampoo. Annabelle's Perfect Blend Kahari Melon Mint Shampoo. I have the Soultanicals Sprout Vitamin Butter Shampoo. My Mayo Rosemary Mint Shampoo. Then I have the Curls Blueberry Bliss hair wash, my African Pride Moisture Miracle shampoo. Then I have the Alakay Natural black soap. I have the honey, what is it, the Honey Baby Naturals shampoo. Then I have the Azure Beauty shampoo. You know how I feel about this shampoo. And then I have the Curls Caviar hair bath I got for free. Then I have the TGIN Moisture Rich shampoo. Then everyone should have an apple cider vinegar rinse. Oh, I have my Wash Day Wonder from Diva Curl. I love this pre-shampoo. I love it. This is, I will buy this over again too. Like, I will definitely buy this over again. The Design Essentials Avocado Shampoo. And then I have, everyone should also have one of these, the Suave Professionals Moisturizing Shampoo, the almond and shea butter one. Everyone needs a clarifying shampoo with some sulfates in it to cleanse your hair. My shampoo collection. And then I'm going to show you my miscellaneous, you know, stuff. So last but not least, this is my miscellaneous stuff. So let me just go through this. It's not, I mean, yeah, it's a lot in here, sorry. This is my refresher from Design Essentials. Grapeseed oil. I have the Rice Tonic Hair Mist Blowout Cream from Lotta Body. I like this, my very first blowout cream, which I love. And then I have the Maui Moisture Curl Refresh. Then I have more oil, the Make It Lash Revitalizing Hair Oil. I have another blowout cream from Eden Body Works. I have my mousse that I use mainly on my wigs. This is from the Main Choice. Then I have my Chi Iron Guard. This is for my, when I blow out my hair. Oh, this is almond oil that I was looking for. I was definitely looking for this for my face. More of a heat protectant, which I really like, is from Pantene. This I got is hair paint wax. Basically, it's in the color gold. For the edge booster one, I have some more other ones in here. That is my hair care products, guys. That is all of my products. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you are a product junkie like I am. But I would love to know what is in your stash. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at livelife_key. Give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.